magtaas ng kamay. Hi, sir! Good evening! Magandang gabi! Naka, sir. Please, everybody go for hands. Come on, everybody! Just like this, everybody go for hands. That's right. Here we go. Here we go, everybody! Ito na. Sabay natin kantay na, sir. Let's do it together. Here we go. Ready? So why do you build me up? Yeah! But baby, just to let me down. That's right. Let's be around in the worst of us. Yeah! You never know, baby, when you say you will. Here we go. But I need you, and all that I have promised. Everyone just sing this. So build me up. But I don't break my heart. Oy, palakpakan niyo si Sir. Clap your hands for him. Okay, let's go! Alright! Now, number! Yes! Palakpakan naman natin. Everybody clap your hands. I want na wag mong kalimutan. That's right. Come on, jump down. That's right. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan. That's right. Give me the last word. Here we go. Oy, palakpakan niyo naman si Jonathan tsaka yung singer niya. Now, brother, you have to give me the right title of the song. Please make this right. You gotta make this right. The title of the music is... That's correct! Good cheers! Yes! Come on, lower. That's what I'm saying. Give me a good turn. Yeah, boy! Oy, palakpakan naman. Set the TV each table. Coordinator, get one representative in each table. Let's go, madam. Here, you're gonna join me. I need one here. Wait, let's go, madam. Okay. Now, number. Yes, very good. Thank you so much. Good evening. I love that. Hello, Daddy. Santos! Hey, where are you? Hello, Daddy. Hey, Mom. Hey, hello. Come on. Yo. Let's go. I love that. Baby. Yeah. That's right. Hello. Oy, palakpakan nyo naman yung mga... Team Bride! Let's go, Team Bride! Wala pa kayo mga kamay for the Team Bride, everybody! Uy! Ang gaganda naman ng Team Bride natin, oh. Look at that! Yes! Siyempre, hindi yan magsasalamin ng ganyan kung walang paside. That's right, come on! Let's go, girls! Hey, wala pa kayong mga kamay, everybody! Yes! Thank you so much, Team Groom! Ay, oh, wala! Bakit naman binuhat yung isa? Let's go, Team Groom! Yup! Hey! Let's go, Team Groom! You know! Eto na! Hey! Let's go! That's right! Here we go! Let's go! Hey! You know! That's right! Come on! Mukhang may magsosola sa likod! May hindi sumasaya! Come on! Palakpakan naman ang singer, everybody! Hey! Yeah! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen! Palakpakan naman natin ang Team Groom! Thank you so much, guys! Dito muna tayo sa side. Sa aking pagdating sa'yo of all, I would like you to know you look so cute together, both of you. Sige nga, sabay-sabay nating isigaw, mabuhay ang bagong kasal in 3, 2, 1, sigaw! Mabuhay! Congratulations! How does it feel that you guys are finally married? But I think I would have to rephrase the question because we all know that these two have been married last few months ago. The question is, how does it feel that you guys are married again to the same person you said I do few months ago? Like literally, anong nararamdaman niyo sa mga oras na to? Can you share with us? Unahin natin si Edgar na mukhang kinakabahan sa mga oras na to. Bro, ikaw, like literally, how do you feel right now? Can you share?
Unang-una, napakasaya. Pero yung sayang yun ay ramdam na kami ay pinagpala sapagkat napakaraming taong nagmamahal sa akin.
Yes! Palakpakan naman natin! So na finally, officially, like although officially naman na before, kinasal ka ulit with this very cute and handsome groom beside you. Let me hear Ronaldine.
Ayan. So, syempre po, dahil may blessing na kami kay God, talaga naman napaka-thankful namin na dumating ang araw na ito. Nice din po namin pasalamatan kayong lahat dahil weekday ngayon pero nandito po kayo. Maraming salamat po sa pag-take ng leave.
Yay! Palakpakan naman natin si Ronaldine.
I will protect you from all around you. I will be with you. They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different.
Is Maria Ronaldine on Paz!
Tumatalo ng puso sa tuwa ay patungong langit na ata. Ikaw ang kasama sa titig pa lang tunaw na hawak sa kamay wala man akong palagsa ay pag-ibig na ata. Sa ilalim ng kalawakan, pangalan mong isisigaw. Sa ilalim ng buwan ay titigan at tawagan aking kamay. Isasayaw ka ng dahan-dahan hanggang di mo mamalayang ako na palang iyong kailangan at gusto mong pamahalaan. Tila'y rosas na pula, labi mong nagsasalita. Kay sarap itigil ang oras, maaari italit iposas ang iyong mga tingin. Labis na mga ningning, oh managinip ka, ayaw nang gumising pa. Sa ilalim ng kalawakan, pangalan mong isisigaw. Sa ilalim ng buwan ay titigan at hawakan aking kamay. Isasayaw ka ng dahan-dahan hanggang di mo mamalayang ako na pala yung kailangan at gusto mong pamahalaan.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, a big round of applause, Mr. and Mrs. Paz. Wow, that's a beautiful, sweet dance. Eto na po yung pagkakataon para isabit natin, not on their clothes. We don't want to damage their clothes. Ang ganda ng suot ni Ronlyn and Edgar. But instead, sa ating love string, isasabit ang inyong mga regalo. Ninong and Ninang, kung meron po kayong sarili ninyong envelope, codes available on your table. Tama, nasa table natin, no? Go ahead and scan the QR code and transfer funds to our couple ways, okay? And also, do not forget to scan the QR code to upload photos. Ronaldin and Edgar would love to see your random photos na in their new lives together as husband and wife. Alright? Wow! Ronaldin, Edgar, your guests are so generous. Look at that. Come on everybody, just...
Babalik pa rin sa'yo sa huli.
Everybody keep pinning. Let us all declare blessings in your new lives together as husband and wife. Come on everybody, we still have a lot of beads and envelopes available to our coordinators. %20 will be going to your bank account. I got you, bro. I got you. Okay, last and final call. Meron pa po bang gusto humabol? May hahabol pa? Meron ba? Is it going to be the last envelope? I'll be counting. Save the best for last. Meron pa ba dyan? May hinantay pa tayo dyan? Are we good? Coordinator? Okay na sila? All good. Okay. In the count of 5, 4, 2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin ang lahat in behalf of Mr. and Mrs. Paz. We thank you for your generosity now. Of honor. Hati-hati tayong apat dito. 30 seconds to do that. You ready? Pabilisan kayong dalawa or else happy kaming 5 dito. 30 seconds! Timer starts now! Let's go! Hi! Huwag naman kayong lumayo. 30 seconds. Come on, Edgar. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, Ronaldin. Last 25 seconds. Here we go. Uy, tira nyo naman kami kahit isa. Last 20 seconds. Come on, Edgar. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Okay. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palakpakan naman natin. Ilagay sa envelope. I think cake. It is a buttercream frosted cake. Let's go. And then right after this, we'll be moving forward. With honor, may I invite here Jessa Ramirez, Feliciana Guerrina, Justin Cruz, and Clarence Dil. Ronaldin, papakainin si Edgar. Unfortunately, bro, mauuna ka. Feed your... No, ikaw ang maunang magpakain kay Ronaldin, okay? Feed your wife. Ayusin mo, nakatingin yung tatay sa'yo, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Come on. Oh, may naririnig akong pagbabansa ni Ronaldin eh. Parang alam na natin agad to. Now, we know already. Okay. Edgar, you have to do it. Feed your wife. That's a big slice of cake. Ronaldin, you gotta eat that. Yes! Now, Ronaldin, it's your turn. Alam mo na. Tapusan mo na, Mr. Paz. You gotta eat that all. Come on, Edgar. Here we go! Palakpakan naman natin, Mr. and Mrs. Paz. Well, knowing Edgar, napalaki...
Hello po, good evening to everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Jivette, one of Ronaldin's maid of honor. Actually, sabi po ng bride sa amin, ang speech namin is 1 minute lang dapat. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, 1 dekada namin tong inantay. Kaya hindi pwedeng 1 minute lang, bes. Ready ka na ba? Pinaghandaan namin to. So, first, I would like to personally congratulate the ultimate relationship goals for me. The people who have set the standard of love and friendship so high for me. Actually, they are one of the kindest souls in my life po. And I know everybody else here will agree with me. Una kay Sir Edgar po, Ronaline's dream guy, her first and definitely her last. Thank you for loving Ronaline. Ba't umiiyak? Thank you for making her happy, for accepting her. I know she's so lucky to have a very understanding, patient, and guy like you. But I know that you are both lucky with each other, and I know that you'll be both incredible parents because of the love, respect, and care you already share with each other. Thank you, Sir Edgar, for being such a good friend to me as well. And sabi nga ng One Direction, na paborito ni Ronaline, thank you for lighting Ronaline's life like nobody else. And to Ronaline, Beth, the person whom I can trust anything and everything without the fear of judgment. Thank you for loving me and accepting me as I am. Thank you for believing in me. And I may not say it often, but I want you to know how grateful I am to have not just a friend, but definitely a soul sister. Thank you for the past decade of beautiful friendship and for all the years of laughter, lessons, and memories we've shared together. Hindi mo na kailangan alalahanin kung masasaktan pa ulit ako pagdating sa pag-ibig, best. Hindi na ako marupok. And I will definitely not settle for less. I have found someone who will love and care for me unconditionally, just like what you always do for me. Actually, he's dead. I know everyone else in the room can see it, how special you are, how your kindness and strength shine through. But even more than that, I see the heart that you put into everything you do. The way you make people feel seen and heard. You have this gift of making everything better just by being yourself. And that's what makes you beautiful. And congratulations again, Sir Edgar and Ronaline. You're the people I admire the most. And I will always look up to in every aspect of life. Sobrang proud ako sa lahat ng achievements nyo together, sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa nyo. You deserve the love and all the goodness in the world. And may God bless your marriage always. Mahal ko kayo.
Wow! Lovely! You're the sweet.
My name is Feliciana Rose Guerilla. Hi mga best friends, good evening. So, ito nga. Nagkakilala kami ni Roan when I transferred to SIC, second year college. And she is one of the kindest soul na first na nag-approach sa akin. Ganun siya kabait. Ganun siya kabuti. Siya yung typical college girl with braces on, with iPhone. Kaya namin siya naging friend. Kasi, mga materialistic kami. Charot! Hindi, joke lang po. Ito na lang, message ko na lang kay Roan dahil nasabi naman na ng aking kaibigan si Jibet lahat. At kay Sir Edgar. Sir and Bess, thank you sa masasayang memories natin together. Through ups and through downs, magkakasama tayo. Alam niyo yan. Mapasaya at mapalungkot yung buhay ko, nandyan sila. Ayoko umiyak. Yeah, thankful ako sa friendship na meron tayo ngayon. At alam kong hindi yung matatapos. Sana magmahalan kayo. Nandito lang kami kung mag-aaway lang din kayo. Tiyara! dito lang kami palagi, mga kaibigan nyo. Mahal namin kayo. Palagi.
Thank you very much. Short and sweet. Maraming salamat. And
Good evening everyone. Ako nga pala si James Reid. Mukhang di po kayo maniwala sa akin. Sige, ako na lang po sinaning lustre. Okay, anyway, ito pong event na to na naging part ako ng celebration ng kasal ni Edgar and Ronaline. Hindi ko po inaasahan na mapipili ako as best man. Kasi si Edgar po ay isa sa pinakang universal friend. Kumbaga, sa lahat kaibigan niya. Kaya hindi ko ina-expect na mapipili ako as part of his wedding. Yun nga, wala akong masabi kasi sinabi niyo ng dalawa. Isa na lang masasabi ko sa aking kaibigan. I love you, bro. Itong relation, kita ko si Edgar from high school hanggang pagtanda niya. Naging sandalan niya ang simbahan, naging part ng buhay niya si God. And I think hanggang ngayon, sa relationship nila ni Roan, ay dadali nila yung kanilang yung pananampalataya nila. And sana hindi lang sa relationship ninyo, dun sa bubuin ninyong tahanan, bro. And I hope na mas lumago, mas tumatag ang inyong relationship. Yun lamang, and God bless.
thank you so much, best man number 1. Last
Sa atin pong newlyweds, of course to our parents of the newlyweds and the primary and secondary sponsors, families and friends, so magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First of all, congratulations po dun sa ating pong couple for tonight. Sa inyo po ang araw na ito. So, yung experience po namin between Edgar and us as a group of friends. So, we know that he is a very good man na to be able to share it with another good person na si Ma'am Rona is that kind of relationship and marriage is a blessing not just for the both of them but for all their families and friends. So once again, di ko na po patatagalin kasi nasabi na po nila lahat. So congratulations po sa ating newlyweds and thank you very much.
Maraming salamat ang ating maids of honor para sa masayang pagsasama, prosperous life, successful career, at sa maraming babies ni Ronaline and ni Edgar very soon. Let's have a cheers to the newlyweds. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Kampay! Congratulations, Ronaline and Edgar. Best man of honors, you guys are the best. And now, as I promised, right after this, I have good news for all of you. And the goodness is, we